whipping on the mountain. I'm whipping on the mountain. I'm whipping on the mountain. Whipping on the mountain. We go to pool, whipping on the mountain. We go to pool, whipping on the mountain. 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 We go to pool, whipping on the mountain. We go to pool, whipping on the mountain. Whipping on the mountain. We go to pool, whipping on the mountain. Whipping on the mountain. We go to pool, whipping on the mountain. We go to pool, whipping
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. How we all doing, everybody? Jeez, it's a vibe. It's a vibe this morning. Everybody hanging out. What's going on? Gang, 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 gang. What's going on? Look at the crowd. It's incredible. It's incredible. It's a whole bunch of degenerate, lovely, gorgeous, super duper, utterly fantastic people. Oh, yeah. My wife got me a coffee maker. Okay? Because my wife used to be the coffee maker. You see? Hold up. But I haven't calibrated the coffee maker the way I like it, you know? You spend all this time teaching your wife how to make you the perfect cup of coffee. And then she buys you a coffee maker for Christmas. Now, I should just get used to it, right? Make my own damn coffee, right? Is it misogynistic or whatever they call it these days? Like feminism or something like that? I don't know, but you can't have a bad coffee. So I made my first coffee nice, but the second one is eh. You ever have a bad second coffee? It's just not the same. But we ain't gonna mess up our day that way. It's a vibe today. We're in a good mood. I see all of you guys in the chat. You guys are all bumping to the music. I see Tony Soprano just having a fun time. I see all you guys in here. Thank you so much for being here. Let's jump into the charts. Bitcoin's pumping. Everybody's excited. Let's go. Everything is offensive to someone. Roast your own beans with air popcorn. Make them over. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Were you guys vibing to the... I found some new beats. I found some new beats for us. I think they're all right. Let me see. Ooh, that's loud. Do we want the beats? I could talk all day. You guys know that. I could talk. I'm in a good mood today. Bitcoin's ripping. Portfolio going up. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Bitcoin to the moon. Everybody overexcited. What's going on? Maybe I gotta take out one headphone. I'm getting a little bit too involved in the music. Is it too loud? We can turn it down a bit. I ain't a DJ. That's the problem. I'm not a DJ. All right, let's say good morning to everybody. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for being here. Rashad, good morning. How are you, brother? Al Jr., good to see you. Airdropper, Paul Caruso, Happy New Year's. Gang, gang, gang. Board PC guy, OG Blockchain, the Duckin, Crypto, Pondering, maybe a Band-Aid, Donata Cabrera. What's going on? All set. Eric Wallen, what's going on? My man, good to see you, man. How you been? How you been, Eric Wallen? It's been a while. Crocodile in a while. See you soon. Crypto Caveman, what's going on? Fine board PC guy. These are the polls that matter. I mean, we're always trying to be on strike with everybody in the crypto world. I see Bitcoin going up or Bitcoin going down. That's the worst poll you can imagine. Bitcoin going up, Bitcoin going down. What's next? 100K or 90K? Like, you got to be more creative than that. Your people don't want to come in here and just, guess. They want to pick their superpowers. I see you guys all want to teleport now. If you teleport fast enough, you can be invisible. I like Magneto. I think Magneto is it's super powerful, but it's very, very secretive. And Magneto can fly. Don't forget, he can make the magnetic ball around him and fly, right? I don't know. You guys got to pick. This is some serious pullage, okay? Serious pullage. Bitcoin on an absolute ripper into an actual area of resistance that we had marked out on our chart in our premium Discord. As we proceed to give you what you need, we are extremely overextended. Oh my God, what is he doing already? He's putting all these lines on the chart. But if we're looking at this, my God, have we created some liquidity on the way up here? My golly gee, look at this. There's been no retracement. This has been up only. Oof, look at that. My friends, we are in a sell wall right now. Point of control, we'll see if we get rejected from here and come back down to some key areas that I am looking for. Or are we just going to continue to fly to the upside? What do you guys think? Up or down? Oh, man. Good morning, everybody. Good to see you. Joan, board PC guy, Buck, Nick, what's going on? Nick Musgrave in the house. What's going on, my brother? Good to see you as well. Board PC guy rocking out. Antonio Soprano. What's going on? My man. We found some 90s beats, bro. We found some 90s beats. Oh, nothing better than 90s hip hop. I'm sorry. Changed my mind. I like all type of music. I like oldies. I like some oldies, like Chuck Berry oldies. And then I love my 90s hip hop. So I can become invisible when no one is looking. Or, hun, good morning. Oh, that's a superpower. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Multi-sig, what's going on? Hey, them. Tony Soprano, multi-sig. Patrick, exclusive. Happy New Year, by the way. Thank you. Happy New Year. Board PC guy, Jen Ceruleus. DDT, good morning, gang, with the shower. Anonymous, Bigness, Crypto Birdie. Nick, what's going on, brother? Good to see you guys. Danius, good to see you as well. Moho, board PC guy. You guys are incredible, man. Thank you, everybody, for continuing to show up for me. Jay Violet, board PC. Crypto Caveman, roast your own beans. Yeah, we're going to hey them. Unbitcoinable. Hello, good morning. Good morning, Melissa. What's going on? Jay Violet. The gang's out and strong. Daz, hey, good morning to you. Jay Violet. Melissa. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, man. This guy. Everybody say hi, Jeff. You guys should all say hi, Jeff. Jeff always comments all the time on all the videos. He's like the commenter of the year so far, 2025. I haven't seen you guys in a year, some of you, but Jeffrey is a constant. David Brumbelow is one of the best commenters as well, and he shares out everything. David Brumbelow actually gets in trouble for sharing out the content too much, which is an incredible skill, by the way. Good morning, Exodus gang. What's going on? Good to see you as well. Mo too. Let's smash that button. He said it, not me. Poor Crypto Steve. Good morning, Board PC guy. What's going on, man? Good to see you guys. 98,000. Good morning. Roaming Brave. I like that. Eric Wallen, doing good, man. We thought we had a miscarriage, but baby's fine. Oh, God bless you, man. My thoughts are with you, man. That can be scary. Mac the man. Good morning, Mathaman. Maximan. Little Fish, what's going on, man? Good to see you, bro. Cameron, what's going on? Hey, them. Marks Citizen, Washington. Let's go. Look at all these champions in here. Tony Soprano. Sniper's Nightmare, my man. He's been crushing it. We've been crushing it too. Have you guys seen that Ondo trade? That thing is on fire, man. That thing is on fire. We just missed the H-bar trade by like a smidgen. Oh, man. Just missed it, man. Soprano, Sniper, Melissa. These guys are all day ones, like day ones, man. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. The OG crew is in the house. That's it, right? Oh, even Dave Digital managed to show up as well. Let's go, man. We got all the OGs in here, man. Good to see you guys, you old farts. I love you guys. See, they've survived the crypto for at least 3+ years now. An amazing group of people. Like 43 is Dave Digitals. Thank you for being here, Dave. So many OGs. G Corp, what's going on? Melissa, David Brumbelow. You guys are incredible. Thank you for being here. We just hit the beats now. I don't know what the volume's like. My God. Nick, 20 gifted memberships. Welcome to the gang. Let's see the Nick Musgrave emojis. Let's see those Nick Musgrave emojis. Let's go. Who you calling old man with that gray you be rocking? It's distinguished, maybe a Band-Aid. It's distinguished. Let's go. I love you, Nick. You know I love you, Nick. Thank you so much for supporting it. I have the worst music in all of crypto. Let's go, baby. I love the beats, man. We got some new beats. We just got some new beats. Dave, you haven't even heard these beats yet. All right? I got a new song, new track for you, Dave. I wake up in the morning, hanging with Dave. He says my music is hella lame. No, we ain't gonna do no Jason Gaspa. All right. We'll stop. You know why my music is hella lame? Because I don't play any. Because I'm here to trade, baby. Let's go. Look at this. Okay, swing failure up at the top here. Coming into a... This is bearish divergence all over it. Oh, baby. Who wants to short this? I want to short it. I'm going to short it. Let's see. So we're getting bear divs up here. Overextension. This last move is the concerning one, okay? So when we're zooming in here, let's look at a 12-minute, okay? So what's a 12-minute? We were talking a lot about market structure yesterday, but you can see constructive price action within here, okay? And then you get this big ripper recently right here. You see how this one's really extended in comparison to like this price action? You see this? So you get this last push, right? This is where, in my opinion, you look for a retrace. Oof, look at this, rejection. Coming in here, rejection. Big old swing failure pattern here. Now, if we break structure to the downside, we can look for a short. Ooh, might want to short now. My God, we're getting some volume here. What's the NASDAQ doing? Oh, rolling over. Coming back, retesting previous highs. Bearish divergence across the board. Potential short. Oh, man. It's already testing me this early? We got volume coming in too, I think. Yeah, volume. Swing failure up at a key resistance level. Oh, man. Are we shorting, friends? Oh, already? It's too early to be testing me. Come on, man. We're all singing about the music. We're all getting excited, and now we're trading like we wanted to be, right? We just came on here to talk a lot of smack and not trade. We got 180 people in here, 50 likes. Thank you guys for smashing up those like buttons, subscribing. If you are new, we're well on our way to 10,000 subscribers, even though we're only at 5,000. You guys want me to shave my beard, right, by the end of the month? Well, you guys let me know. We got Bear Divs up at the top here. Look at all these amazing people here. Thank you, Nick, for the gifted memberships. God bless you, bro. You're an incredible person. He is one of our moderators who always makes sure to keep our Discord safe. Thank you so much, Nick, for supporting the channel and being one of our family. We love you, bro. Let's go, let's go, let's go. He looks determined without being ruthless, something heroic in his manner. There's a courage about him. Doesn't he look like a killer? Oh my God. He's Tony Soprano's busting at the rap songs. Bear Divs, yes sir. LJ, you know it. Good morning, fam. Brokoshi, good morning to you. David Brambolo, Nick, Captain Swag. Draw lines from the low. Oh, I don't know if we have time to draw these lines, my friend. This is a very serious matter here. We are still making higher lows. So I would like to see a break of structure here. Because of we're up only, right? I would prefer to see something along the lines of this, okay? I want to see this right here. Right? Breaking, retesting, going. Breaking, retesting, going. Otherwise, this is very much up only territory. And we don't want to get caught with our... Is it pants down? I don't think that's appropriate. You can't just say pants down whenever you feel like it in the crypto world. That's just not right. Everybody's shorting this right now and getting wrecked. Okay? We're going to be patient. We know that everybody's coming back from their Y2K, beautiful New Year's, hanging out, doing all the drinking and drugging. And all these stockbrokers, man, you know, they're coming back with vengeance today. They're like, man, let's F up this Bitcoin. So we want to be as patient as possible in this situation, because when we zoom out, and zoom out we will, because we need to zoom out, which is always important. Okay? We are in a downtrend, okay? And we were talking about this yesterday, if we are going to pick this apart. Okay? And time is relevant. Okay, so what we have is we have a clear break of structure down here. Okay, that means this is in a downtrend. Now, this is here on a short-term time frame in an uptrend. Okay, as we can see. Okay, because it has broken structure, right? Higher high, higher low, continuation, big ass liquidity. Okay. Meaning this thing can roll over and crush all of your hearts, okay? You could all be sad if this happens. Dang, we should have taken that short, man. Okay, now we're looking for a break of structure. Man, I'm just getting into the top-down analysis, and it has to get all excitable on me. Break that structure, baby. I'm watching it on the other screen. I'm always watching the short-term price action, okay? So we'll be ready. We'll be ready. If we break structure and retest, we'll look for the short. If not, we wait, okay? But right now it's rolling over a little bit, and we'll see what we get. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 217 people in here. And Bitcoin's on a ripper, okay? Bitcoin's on a ripper. We definitely have been saying, okay, I told you this at the beginning of the week, which we did. We told you down here that this is nice on the 2-day, right? The 2-day was coming up as a trigger wave, okay? So we've been oscillating above the 0 line, which is an uptrend. This is an uptrend, holding the 0 line. And then anytime you trigger wave, especially on a higher term time frame, in a bull run, okay, because we are definitely still in a bull run, this can be very, very powerful. And this can start us off on our next kind of trajectory to the upside. And you've seen this happen before, right? Where you get your trigger, right? And you're up only for a long time. Okay, this could happen right here. I'm not saying it's going to happen right now, but this looks good for at least a retrace and continuation. Okay? So for me, this is saying Friday. We know that. We've been looking at this for a while, but most likely coming into Sunday. Okay, so Sunday, trigger wave crossover the 0 line. Very, very nice. We haven't got a green dot yet, but it is looking good. Okay, so keeping our eye on the prize. It doesn't mean that this is the most bullish thing in the world. This is a 2-day chart, and this can take time to play out. Now, when we zoom into what's going on here, we have our double bottom on our 12-hour pushing up here, and really what we are looking for is a correction, right? So we're looking, okay, we got liquidity in the lows over here, okay, and we have put in a lower low. Okay, so this, we want to see do this, and then go kaboom. Okay, that's what we would like to see. That would be constructive, in my opinion, where we get an ABC correction, and then we fly. Okay, we come back for some of this liquidity. Everybody cries because they bought the dip here, and the dip just kept dipping. You know the story. Fear and greed starts to go up to the wazoo. We get fear and greed at 80 here or 90, and then it goes woo, and it crushes everybody's hearts yet again, only to send it back up. Okay, the only thing that would be, would make everyone happy is if this just started to go from here. Not saying that won't happen. Should have taken the short. This thing is rolling over. I'm going to have FOMO today. Great. Thank you, Bitcoin price action. Thank you for rolling over and not giving me the balls to short this thing right now. Jeez. So double bottom, looking good. Money flow crossover. The problem with the money flow here on the 12-hour is that it is choppy, okay? It is not really giving us clear direction. We want to see clear direction, right? This is going bloop, 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 bloop. Okay, I don't need to make the sound effects for you guys to understand that it's going red dot, green dot, red dot, green dot, okay? So looking to get bottoming out of this area and push back up. Now, the concern is obviously that if this is a downtrend, then we're looking for this, okay? So cautious. A nice move, but when we get a nice move like this, I do like to see more constructive price action, meaning that we're getting constructive price action, okay? Not up, just up, okay? Everybody's saying take the short now, right? What's the chat saying? You guys saying take the short, you wimp? I would be. Thanks so much, Nick. You're the man. He is the man. He is absolutely the man. Okay, if there was a person to be the man, that would be Nick, okay? My man. God bless you, bro. Thank you for supporting the channel. Waltz Jesse, Payne, good morning. Golden Pocket, David Brumlow. I'm not shorting, but I took profits and I took 66.67 of my long trade out. With the pullback, I'll add back to my long stages. Beautiful. See, David Brumlow trading a plan. Beautiful. Short. Shorting already. You guys are incredible. Great job. Make sure you take profits, okay? Melissa, Nick is the best mod. Nick does protect the Discord with all his might. Same with Tony Soprano. Tony Soprano now and Sniper. Watch out, man. These guys. Hello from India. Welcome, Ravi. Good to see you. Board PC guy, David Brumbelow, Wick's wife. You guys are incredible. Wesley, good morning. Jeff Robinson. Danger, Mr. Robinson. Fed is pumping liquidity in the system till tomorrow. Yeah, they're all coming back, right? So we were shut down yesterday. You can see the Nasdaq ripping to the upside this morning, correcting down though a little bit. So we'll see how that goes. Pretty wild. We'll see how that continues to go. Jay Violet, good to see you. Wick's wife, fine 89. Good to see you as well. Welcome. I think I saw Billy in here somewhere. Dave Digital, what an absolute legend. He loves my music. Deck, what's going on? Mark Dutch, David Brumbelow. Mark Dutch, what's going on? How have you been, man? Have you just been clogging around, man, all New Year's? Are you recovered yet? my man. Good to see you as well. Jake, good morning. What's up? Good to see you as well. Make sure everybody who's new here, all you lurkers, I would really appreciate some good mornings from you guys. The world defined. Now, if you really want to find the lurkers, look at the gifted memberships, okay? Kelly L., I've never seen you before. Good morning. Joel Vasquez, good morning. Captain Swag, you've never said good morning. FS, you've never said good morning, okay? Priya, you've never said good morning. Kirk, you've never said good morning. Look at all these people. You've never said good morning. You've never said good morning. You've never said good morning. We're calling you out right here. Even the crypto caveman hasn't even said good morning. Look at all these lurkers. We love you guys. Thank you for being here in the background. You're probably driving, so don't say good morning if you are driving. It's okay. But I am calling you out now that you've been gifted a membership. See, it's always good. The memberships always bring out the people in the woodwork. You know, it's like some good old I don't know. It exposes them. Good morning, Crypto Billy. God bless you, bro. Thank you so much. I'm still rocking the socks, man. I haven't taken them off since I got them. Mrs. Otter might get a little bit upset with me, but that's okay. Good morning, everybody. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Crypto, Pondering, Logic, El Grand, RD. Okay, this is, look, equal bottoms here. No low has been put in yet. Nestor, good morning. RD27, Dread Mining, good morning. Percy, El Grand, Tim Young. I said good morning already, says TV. Good morning to you, man. Off the Grid Finance, good morning. Top of the morning, yeah? Good morning, New Year. Thank you for being here. Happy New Year, good morning. See? We love the lurkers, man. We're on to you. We're on to you. Happy New Year's, everybody. Buenos dias. Good morning, even though it's Jeez, Tunisia. It's 2 p.m. Thanks for the gift. The quiet back row. Yeah, lurkers are important. We need lurkers. The more lurkers, the better. Website owner Randy Pierce. Good morning. Thanks for the trade alert on H-Bar. Paid for my subscription for months with the profit. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, who's in the H-Bar trade, man? Who's in the H-Bar trade? We gave a crypto alert yesterday. For me, I didn't get into it because I was looking a little bit lower, but a whole bunch of people took an H-Bar trade yesterday. If you are new here and you do want to trade with us, I mean, we've given the Ondo trade, the Sui trade. Jeez, recently you've just been crushing it. H-Bar, Ondo. Incredible. H-Bar, crushing it. Ondo, crushing it. Okay. Sui, crushing it. Incredible group. That's just one out of 4 traders in here. So, I mean, I can't take all the credit, but I can take some credit because, you know, I'm still in the Ondo trade. I'm 50% out of the Ondo trade right now. But incredible group. I've seen a bunch of you guys take the H-Bar trade setup yesterday as well. I'm still in the Ondo trade setup as well. Up 50%. No complaints. $30 a month. If you can't make $30 a month from the trade setups, I mean, we have failed. You are you are the father. Okay, we're bouncing here. See, we should have longed. Right? We should have longed, but we didn't because it's early. You know, I'm only a cup and a half deep of coffee. Oh, it's good coffee. It's like, I would say it's a 7 out of 10 coffee, but it you know when it just hits good? When it just hits good, that's the one, right? RS Miller is lurking. We love you, RS Miller, man. RS Miller always supporting the channel as well. Killed an aerodrome trade. Let's go, Billy, man. Let's go, my brother. Bean in H-Bar. Let's go. Mike as well. Good morning, Tommy from Rotterdam. Good morning, man. Good morning. Remo, Billy, Randy Pierce, website owner. Good to see you. Wretched. Good morning, Thomas. Seymour, Liddy, what's going on? Doggy Dog, good morning. Good to see you guys. Mike as well. You guys are incredible people. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Olestia, Jeff Robinson. You guys are incredible. Thank you, guys. about to make my 10 out of 10 coffee. Jeez, I'm getting jealous, okay? So let's take a look as we proceed to give you what you need. The 12-hour double bottoming in here, okay? Looking to push up and continue. Now, the key for me is getting above 100,000, okay? So we look at this as a range. We pull this across. We look here. And what we're really trying to understand is, can we get out of this, right? So we look at the top of this, 99,000 at the top of this range. If we go from swing high to swing low right now, we can see that our golden pocket and our value area high are coming at the top of here, okay? So this 102 is going to be a very critical area of resistance, okay? We do have some other levels above here coming for this liquidity up here, sweeping this liquidity up in here, but we are still in a downtrend, okay? If we are looking at this, we are still here, and this would ruin everybody, okay? So let's be patient. Let's try and take what's in front of us every single day and try to position ourselves accordingly, okay? The swing trades are always nice, but if we can get into a nice little scalp that turns into a swing trade, great, right? We did that the other day from the high over here at 96,000 all the way down to 92,000. That was an amazing trade. We caught the top there on the live stream. That was incredibly fun, actually. So we try to keep it simple, but also try to take advantage of this price action. Now, the concern is that we've gone up pretty aggressively here, okay? So, everybody coming back. Are we going to continue out of here? Well, we do have like a spring. Pardon me for 1 second. Need to blow my nose. I'm just getting over a cold. Okay. I don't have boogers anywhere, do I? I'm just trying to be a regular guy on the internet, pressing buy and sell successfully. That's all I'm doing, okay? Sorry. Intermission for Dave Digital here. Here we go. I just lost 20 subscribers. Dave Digital. He says my music sucks, but we like to make bucks. We give 0. Anyways. Okay, we're breaking down here a little bit on Bitcoin. Okay, retesting back up in here. So let's look. So sweep of the highs, rolling over here, trying to lose this low. Okay, so this is looking a little bearish. We'll see how it goes. Up at a key level too. We have a key area here of resistance, and we have swept that resistance. Okay. So can we come back into this area down here? We have VWAP residing below us as well here around 95.8. So we'll see if we break down to that area. The elevator music, David Brumbelow. Alex's music doesn't suck, but it's an acquired taste. Turn my volume down. Oh, man. I just crushed everybody's hearts. I just crushed your hearts. I'm sorry. We won't do that again. Have you an exit plan for your portfolio? Yes. Sell at the top. We talk more portfolio in our Discord, but yeah, we have a plan. That's for sure. Jeff Robinson, Dixie spiking up, pound dumping. Whew. All right, I'm half lurking. Good morning, gang. Atone. Good morning, Luke. Good morning, Melissa. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. David Brumbelow. Plan B. I wouldn't go off of what Plan B says. He was wrong last cycle. I don't know. I would make your own plan. I would make your own plan, but we'll see what we get. Okay, so continuing the top-down analysis, what do we see, right? So we've gone up only really aggressively here. Now, if we're looking at some sort of Wyckoff accumulation model, this would be our spring, right? Now we have broken above here, and we are looking for this to kind of flag out and then pop, okay, if this is it. Or we're looking for a come back here, retest back into here, grab some liquidity, and then continue out, okay? So there's a couple of options here. I'm not a big Wyckoff kind of person, but I am aware of it, right? And it's always important to be aware of them because, you know, we look for something like this, if I'm pulling it up here, and we look for the sort of bounce out of here, right? We want to get that garbage out of here, right? So if we're looking at this, we're looking for this, you know, this spring phase C has occurred, okay? That's where we're at here. So we have come down. We've put in a higher high here, which is a little bit different, but we've had this kind of push down into a spring, right? And now we've pushed up aggressively. So are we going to push out and upwards? We'll have to see, right? So just looking at that, we could push up and out from here, right? I'm not saying that this is going to happen. I'm just saying that, you know, it's possible. It's possible. And I don't want to get you guys all in the hopium, right? The hopium is detrimental to your trading plan, in my opinion. So we try to stay level-headed here. Let's see what the fear and greed is as well, because we always got to check that along with a dad joke, because dad jokes are important too. So fear and greed's back up to 70. Wife says, honey, I'm pregnant. Me, well, what do we do now? Wife says, well, I guess we should go to a baby doctor. Me? I think I'd be a lot more comfortable going to an adult doctor. That was bad, man. That was bad. Why do I have the I only have this bot. What do you call an eagle who can play the piano? Talented. That's better. That's better. Talented. Okay, that got me a little bit, okay? Talented. So topping out here, do we roll over? Lots of liquidity below us, absolutely. But can we spring out of here, right? Like, can we full on, you know, do something like this and then go, right? That would be wonderful. But like I said, lots of resistance in our way, right? We got the highs in here. There's key levels in here. There's that golden pocket here around 102, right? So there's lots of things stopping us from going up. So we'll have to wait and find out. That's why we want to position ourselves accordingly. Going into our 4, our 3, our 2, our 1, what do we see? Well, money is creeping back in. And this is something that I identified in our Discord, that money was coming back in and we were putting in divergences, okay? So in our Discord, I was like, look at this, money is coming back in. This could be a bottoming signal. And guess what? I'm sorry to say it, but I was right. Okay, so it's nice to be right, to be able to identify the divergences and then see that, hey, we've actually bounced out of here, right? So, and we were privy to that information quite soon, and now we've gone. Now, doesn't mean that this is out of the woods yet. What we do know is that this price action has been absolutely atrocious, okay? It has been very vicious. It's been dumping and pumping all over. If I take off even this and we look at this in general, right? If we look at, I did this yesterday. If we look at what this price action looks like, why won't it give me the opportunity to hide this? Where's the hide? There it is. This is not fun to trade, right? This is Wick City. This is not any sort of, you know, nice down, nice up. No, this is just wrecking everybody. So for me, it's like, be cautious, right? Be cautious. Don't be a victim to the quick pumps and dumps, right? Look at these 3 candles on the 4-hour. That is disgusting. That was one of the hardest trades. I broke even that day, but that was, we took a loss on the live there. And then, you know, I was able to scalp my way back into Valhalla after that. But very, very aggressive. So cautious for now. And we'll see how that goes. So 4-hour getting a little bit toppy. VWAP coming out. Money's coming in. So couple of mixed signals here. However, we do have our beautiful green candles all the way up. Okay, so 3, toppy as well. VWAP coming out. 2, very toppy coming out. 1, very toppy coming out. And we were well aware of that trigger wave yesterday. So beautiful move out of the lows yesterday. Only to continue to rip, right? So after something like this, I always look for something like this before we go, okay? So we'll see what we get. Looks as though Bitcoin's trying to break down, but buyers are coming in. So we'll see how that materializes into the rest of the day. Trying to break down structure-wise right now. So going into our 24, as we normally do, getting a little bit overextended here on our uptrend, right? So in an uptrend, just like we were looking at before, we were looking for that trigger wave or that sort of dip in our momentum where we can look to get into maybe a VWAP crossover here, right? That would signify a good old area to get long in. So let's be patient and let's see what the market gives us today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 280 people in here, 90 likes. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Subscribe if you guys are new. We'd love for you guys to join us. We do have an amazing Discord as well. If you're interested in that, come over and hang out. We're well on our way to 5,400 subscribers. And it's lots of fun here. It's lots of fun here. You guys are incredible. Make sure you say good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Good morning, Alexandra G. Newfie word of the day, Caesar salad. The Newfie word of the day, Caesar salad. So that bolt over there, boy, is Caesar salad. It's Caesar salad. That's when, like, something's seized and solid. It's seized solid. That's the Newfie word of the day. If you don't put two-stroke in the snowmobile, you'll Caesar solid. Oh man, I didn't read that part. Alex, do you want us to explain the "is the bartender here" joke to you? It's kind of funny. No. If you like H bar, you'll love constant. Okay. Discord invite is invalid, by the way. Is it really? Is the Discord invite down below invalid? It should be good. The one down below in the description. Maybe this one's invalid. I don't know if this one's invalid. That's totally up to the Discord. It'll populate here. Seymour Liddy, how do you feel on AVO? Oh, we'll have to look at that after the stream. Let me see here. It seems to work. It works here. Okay. So if you do want to come over to our Discord, it's pretty incredible. 14 more for 2,000 in the Discord. That would be pretty cool. The one in the description's not working. Okay. So I can copy this link here and put it in the description. I'll have to do that. That's weird. That's weird. Edit, Discord. It's the same link in the... There, I've changed it now in the description. Hopefully it's working. Hopefully it's working. Curious on how the market's going to react today. Why don't witches wear panties to get better grip? Woo! You guys are funny. You guys are funny. Dean, good morning. Good morning. Gang, gang, gang. You guys need to behave yourself. Good morning from India. Oh, this is why we do it, man. This is literally why I get up in the morning to hang out with you guys, to hear jokes like that. Okay, so no trade right now. Let's see what we get. We do have some key areas down below that I'm interested in if we do bounce. Okay, but obviously a little bit toppy here on our candles, looking for some sort of retrace, okay? Until we have like an established top, I haven't pulled really any fibs from the low up into the highs here. We do have a golden pocket area in here. I would be interested in a 382 bounce, okay, for some aggressive bouncage, if that's a word, right? You could pull your fibs from down over here and look in here for 382 up in this zone, but I'm gonna remain patient. We'll see what the market gives us. Probably should have gotten short. We'll see how it goes. Okay? We'll see how it goes. We can still look for the retest. We haven't broken much structure down in here. That's my concern. And we are holding a key support line. Okay? Yes, we are at a level of resistance that I had marked out on the chart. But for me, we'll see how the market opens. The Nasdaq's trying to push back in here. Looking a little bit strong today, but then rolling over, coming back, revisiting previous highs, and looking for a continuation, right? Typical trade we take here. Okay. SUI, absolutely banging this trade, given an advance in our Discord as well. Up 12%. Incredible. We did give the H-bar trade setup yesterday. It came back and it retested, and I mean, it took off quite nicely. Ondo, we are currently in the Ondo trade, absolutely ripping to the upside as well. Okay, a beautiful little Ondo trade flying off the wazoo right now as we proceed to the upside. This is looking good. A lot of things flying. Okay, we got Pepe flying, we got Bonk flying. Look at the meme coins, they're coming back alive. Brett finding some bottoms here. Okay, virtuals absolutely ripping to the upside. Okay, these things are doing really well. Render. Okay, so a lot of hopium coming in through the market, right? So let's be cautious. That's all I gotta say is let's be cautious because dominance losing the low again. Okay, so we do have some nice downward structure here on dominance breaking down. Okay, breaking down and making a lower low as we speak. So continuation down, back into this area here, quite possible. Be cautious of this thing pushing back in here. Okay, so a lot of good signs in the market right now. However, overextended, right? Overextended means that we should be weary of downside price action here. Coming back into VWAP, right? Possibly looking for a long in there as we roll over right now. Okay. Very slow, methodical kind of price action right here. But might be looking for a potential short here, only to get long down in this area down below. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 300 people here, 103 likes. It's crazy how the viewership just explodes to the upside when the price explodes to the upside. It's pretty incredible. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel and being here. If you are new, we'd love for you to subscribe. We're here live trading every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Make sure you do say good morning. We do treat this more like coming into the office. We're hanging out here, just a normal dude here, pressing buy and sell successfully. For the past, 2 years of profitability now. Yeah. 9 months to profitable. Yeah. About that. Yeah. So, and full-time trading since last August. So we're traders helping traders. Should have taken that short. Okay. Should have taken that short. Breaking down right now as we speak. Sweeping the lows. Okay. Sweeping the lows. Did anybody get in on this? My God. I'm a little bit jealous of you now. I'm a little bit jealous coming into this order block down below. We'll see if it does want to pop off. We got a couple of order blocks in here. Looking for price to return back down. Okay. Reckon the late longs up at the top here. Okay. People waking up in the morning pressing buy for no reason. Okay. We got the sweep of the highs here. It was all written out for us this morning. Shout out if you are in the long, congratulations, or in the short, congratulations. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Secret to becoming a millionaire just exposed on Alex O's Twitter. I may or may not have hit that status this year, so we'll see how that goes, Billy. If that's a status thing. Here's what I posted on Twitter today. I asked a millionaire how he did it. He said, Forget about the girls and focus on one woman. She will help you achieve everything. I'm getting brownie points tonight, ladies and gentlemen. All right? That's the one. Ride or die. She's a sweetheart. My world. I couldn't do any of this without her. That's 100. That's 100. Absolutely. Last night I dreamed that I was swimming in an ocean of orange soda, but it was a fantasy. You guys are just drop it off. You guys just dropping all the dad jokes, man. How about Ondo? Get nice pump. Yeah, we're in the Ondo long in our Discord. 23 years here. That's it. Married. Had my first son 5 months ago. I'm now a dad. Incredibly grateful. Nothing better. Nothing better. Mark Dutch, behave yourself. Okay, getting a little pushback in here. We do have a little trigger wave in here coming in. Okay, trying to push back. Retest of the previous lows. This could be a potential short here. Looking for follow through here. If we do get rejected here, pushing back. 3-minute time frame. Nice little pushback sweep of this low in here. So this is a break of structure. Retest back in. Okay, so do we go short here? That is the question. And look to take this thing down. It looks as though we're overextended. Okay, so what's our 15 saying? Yeah, rolling over here. Okay, bearish divergence here. VWAP's overextended to the downside. Hammer candle rolling over. No trade yet. No trade yet. This is an ugly candle. This is being bought up quite aggressively here. We can see. So we got this. Can we get this down into here? See this support line, we're holding this, so this looks strong. However, we have broken structure to the downside, but not very clean, okay? This to me is not clean at all. We want to see at least a 5-minute candle close below this low. Look at this, at least, right? And we haven't gotten that. We have below these lows here, okay, which is good. But for me, that's kind of the barrier right now. That's the barrier, especially because it's being bought up. You got nice little areas of bounce levels in here that we can come back to. This is people, you know, whenever they stall out, like an order block is typically institutional money, right? Where it'll stall out and then it'll push, right? Or it'll stall out and then it'll dump. Either way, but these order blocks are where longs and shorts are being built up, right? So we typically look to target those on an uptrend. So if we're coming back for any sort of bounce, right? If we're coming back within here, we can look to take trades off of these, okay? For continuation. Okay, these aren't full retracements, these are continuation trades within here. If we do come back to revisit the highs, that would be a very nice swing trade opportunity within this area here. Okay. For now, we wait. We've swept some liquidity within here. No real decision on price action here, so we wait, right? We want to have confirmation of our thesis, of our plan. We want to see that, hey, price is coming down here. It's trying to close below this low here. It's actually struggling a little bit right here, but it could, you know, this could be breakdown, retest, continuation trade. Okay, that's very much on the table here. But Are we going to count this as a significant low? We'll see. Okay. Now this is looking a lot different, right? Looking a lot different as we continue to push. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. 320 people in here. God bless you guys. Happy New Year's to every single one of you guys. Thank you for smashing up those like buttons, subscribing if you are new. All the best with your newborn Alex O Crypto. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, it's incredible, man. It's incredible. Streamlabs, love Alex O Crypto. What is this? Streamlabs successfully added fart. How did that happen? Dave Digital. Dave Digital. Dave Digital, don't make me do it, man. Undo what you have done. Dave Digital. Five-minute candle close below here. I'm putting in you 10-second timeout, Dave Digital. 10 seconds to think about what you're doing. Oh, what am I gonna do with you, bro? Billy, I thought you were helping Dave not be his old self. His old the untamable Dave Digital. We love you, bro. We love you, man. We'll just keep putting him in the DDs. We'll keep putting him in 10-second timeouts. I think those would be more annoying. Finish him, says Dragonfly. Oh, man. We're just timeouting Dave Digital for 10 seconds to let him think about what he did. So a little rollover here. 5-minute candle close below the low here. Yes, now we wait. Now we can look here. Coming into this order block right now. Potential bounce zone, right? So price can bounce off of these areas quite aggressively. Got two of them in here. 1, 2. We'll see how it reacts here. Toppy, roll over, break a structure, retest continuation. Possible trade setup. If not, this is going to do bullish divergence in here. We're going to get bull divs. Okay, and a push back. Trading is waiting, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Live trading, hanging out with you guys. This is how we make our bread and butter, baby. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. Now, we do have some momentum coming up in here that we can be aware of as well. That has held. Okay. That has held. So momentum. Now, I'm not trading the trend line. If I got long here, this would justify me holding my long position, okay? It allows me to first immediate higher low with a push out, making a higher high, okay? Once you get that, then you can say this is a significant low, and I can draw my trend line, along this line here. Because we've pushed up in here, we've made a higher high. I can say, hey, this is significant now, looking to hold this momentum here. Okay? And it's a way of holding trades longer. So you don't have to justify getting out after this pump. And unless it's broken, you don't have to get out, right? Rolling over here, coming to this momentum line, order block here, bouncing here. We'll see how it goes. 15-minute VWAP resetting. VWAP curving back up on the 5-minute. Overextended on chart prime. This is a potential bounce area right now as we speak. VWAP creeping up here as well. This area is ideal, right? We have previous highs. VWAP, we have a big order block within here, okay? And a critical support line that we have right here. So 95.8 is more ideal in my opinion if we break down for a bounce. However, we can take a trade down to 95.8, still a decent, half to 1% move. Stalling out here. Clear candle close. We'll see how it goes. Dave being a menace. Is Dave behaving himself now? There is no taming a wild beast. Let's go. Let's go. We love you, man. Everybody's just putting fart emojis now. Interesting. ETH is going up, BTC down. Alt season here now. Yeah. It's trying. Total 3 looked good. Dave the Untamable. Yeah, that would be Dave's name in medieval times. Dave the Untamable. I like that. Who gave Dave the keys? He's off-roading today. He's adding commands. I'm going to have to go into my Streamlabs and unadd these commands, man. You do realize you're creating work for me today. Oh, man. Good morning, Jeanette. Wow. Okay, this is rolling over nice here. Rolling over, filling up this order block. Did anyone get short on this, man? I'm having a little bit of FOMO right now. Look at this thing ripping to the downside. Now we can look to take this even up. This is turning out quite a nice little dumperelli coming in here. NASDAQ rolling over a little bit. Shout out to those who took the short this morning. This thing's ripping. I was considering the short this morning, Lunar, but I didn't take it, so cannot claim. Michael said, I'm short. Nice. I need more coffee. But the price action's too beautiful right now. Nice good old dump coming in here. Looking for the long down at VWAP. We'll see if we get it. Looking for the short if we do come back up and retest. Very scam wickety wickety. Looking for the long 95.9. Getting both of those order blocks that we talked about. Quite bouncy. Bouncy house. Bouncy house coming back, grabbing some liquidity from down below. Looking for a bounce here. VWAP's at 95.885. Okay, looking there for a potential bounce. if we are going to continue here, good old rugged. Those who took the short, GG's on your short. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Chicken, thank you for becoming a member. God bless, bro. Hopefully you've had a wonderful holidays, my man. Rolling over here. I do not know what Dave's up to anymore. I've given up. He's dominating this. Okay, big dump here coming in to VWAP. Coming into VWAP. Looking for the bounce. Looking for the bounce here. Looking for the bounce here. No bounce yet. Coming back, revisiting the highs. Shout out to those who took that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful short. Looking for the bounce here. No bounce yet. Might take a little stab here. Might take a little stab here. Looking for this bounce. Can we bounce? All right, we're bouncing. Oh, trying to hold on to this position here. We'll see what we get. Little pushback, but not much. Little pushback, big volume coming in here. We'll see if we do get the bounce. All right. I'm going to jump in here. Take a little long. Taking a long. Taking a long here. Taking a long. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Push it. Push, push, push. Okay, I'm going to take quarter off. Taking a quarter off of that trade. Stop loss adjusted to the bottom here. Risk-free trade for me now. Risk-free. We'll see if we push up here. Come on, Bitcoin, push, baby. Looking for a continuation here. Nice push. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Push. All right, I'm taking another quarter off. Stop loss to entry. Stop loss to entry. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Push, Bitcoin. We're in it. We're in it. Let's go. Stop loss to entry. Risk-free trade now. Risk-free trade. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang, 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 gang. All right. Another winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Push it, baby. Another one. Another one. Let's go. GG's, GG's, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Come on, baby, push. Stop loss at entry. We could go stop loss below this low, but risk-free trade so far, so good. We in it to win it. We'll see if we can get that continuation follow through, bounce off VWAP key level. Look at the confluence in here, right? This is the thing. This is why you get confident, right? You got double confluence in here. You got a support level in here. You got VWAP coming in here. I mean, you don't got to be a genius to press buy here. You got volume surging, sweeping the order blocks in here, coming back, revisiting the highs. Quick $400 for the day. Keep the doctor away. Let's go, baby. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the gang. Who's catching knives? We catching knives here. Shout out to you guys. 360 people in here. You best be smashing up that like button. Let's go. I knew there was a vibe today, man. I could feel the vibe. Even though Dave Digital is misbehaving himself, we love Dave. Dave is an incredible human. Go follow Dave on X. He'll motivate you. The man has I think he has laser nostrils. Dave Digital. Dave, why did you take your laser nostrils off, man? Look at these. Look at these. These are the ultimate laser nostrils I've ever seen, man. This guy is absolutely crushing it. If you want to get motivated, you want to see what to eat in your life, go and follow Dave Digital. Look, he's even sharing out the stream, man. God bless you, Dave. I appreciate you, man. Go and follow Dave. He'll tell you what to eat, baby. He'll tell you what to eat, and he'll motivate you. He's always getting his sweat on, crushing them weights, man. Look at him go there. Hey, stop looking at her over there. Dave, I see you. You're misbehaving. We all know why you go to the gym, Dave. We're all on to you now. Shout out to everybody who took the long on the live with me. Thank you guys for being here. 365 people in here, 145. We're long off the VWAP. Perfect little retest this morning. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Otter gang. Mad love to you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Bounced off a 786. Let's see. There you go. Look at that, 786. Look at this guy. He's on it. He's on it like phonics. Look at that. Beautiful. This is why you stack confluences. You build the trading plan ahead of time, right? We know, okay, liquidity grab, bearish divergence, rollover. Okay, we could have taken that short from here where we had the retest back in and continuation. Okay, no need. Now, has it come back and wrecked a lot of shorts? Possibly. Hey, but we've paid ourselves. Stop losses at entry. We're good here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the gang. A nice little move here. A quick little 0.5%. Half the money made today. Let's keep it going. Maybe this thing can run, right? That's the thing, is now that we've gotten in here, this thing could possibly, go much higher. So stop loss at entry, risk-free trade. We've taken our money, all those good things. Now we wait for the next one. And we got to find more trades for all the people who are just coming into the stream right now. But if you are new here, subscribe. How much margin did you use on that 44X to make 400 off that little move? So typically I'm putting on about $150,000 on the trade, okay? Which amounts to be, let me see here, how much margin is it? It's about 3.5 grand. Okay, I trade a 10.5 grand, 10 grand account every week. Okay, always 10 grand account. Trading this every week, the same account size, and I float that account every day. Take profits out of it, top it up, vice versa. Okay, definitely always here trading. Typically, we're risking 300 to make 900 per trade. 300 to make 900 per trade. I have a 0.3% stop loss to make 1%. Okay, that's how I trade. So that's typically how I trade every single day. And that's how I do it. Okay, very simple. And that typically is 100,000 to $150,000 per trade. Okay, simple math, simple trading. You'll see when I do need a bigger stop loss, I'll put on half a position, right? So I can double my 0.3 to a 0.6 and give myself some more wiggle room, and vice versa. Okay? Keeping it simple. Okay, that's how I manage my trade setups and how I manage my risk. Okay, every trade, every single day. Sometimes I will add size if it's an A+ setup. Sometimes I won't. And hopefully that makes sense for you, Crypto King. We were talking about this yesterday too on our Discord. I think it was our family chat. Me and Seymour Liddy were talking about it here on a chat with Alex. Yeah, so we're just talking about, leverage, size, right? What we're doing in here, how we manage our risk and all those things. It's very, very important. Okay. You don't got shit if you don't have a trading strategy and you don't have good risk management. That's what it's all about. What it's all about. Where was it here? I don't know if I can find it. I think maybe it was over here. Ask Alex anything. Yeah. I had a quick question to dial in my size. $300 loss at 0.33%, 44x. That would be $100,000 trading volume, correct? Thanks again. Yes. See? We were talking about it yesterday as well. And that's it. That's it. Keeping it simple. It's very manageable for me to try to extract 1% out of the market every single day. Okay? 1% a day keeps the doctor away. And even my trend lines are typically 1% apart. So it allows me to look for that 1% move. If we go through all my trend lines, you can see here they're about 1% apart. So it allows me to manage my risk within those areas as well. I typically aim for 1% depending on where the key volume is, but another trick I use for managing my position size. But this part's the most important part, my friend. This is always the most important part right here. Right? You need to get your risk management dialed, absolutely dialed, right? You can't be, and taking a loss is actually a good thing. If you're taking a proper loss, you're supposed to lose in trading. Get used to it, okay? You're supposed to. If you don't lose in trading, you're either moving your stop loss, you're adding size to a position that you probably shouldn't be, right? There's a lot that goes into it. Best Loser Wins is a good book for that. I'm going to go get some coffee. We'll see if we get knocked out of this trade. It is looking like it's struggling a little bit right now. I'm going to go top up my coffee. I have a coffee pot. Oh, yeah. Stop loss. What's the stop loss? All right. So a wiggle, jiggle, gang. What's going on, everybody? Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you are new. We are currently in this long off of the VWAP. Now, it's not running, but it's not Yeah, I don't know. We could add. This is an option. We could add to this trade here. Let's look at it here. So V-shaped recovery, volume surging, sweeping the lows, coming into VWAP, grabbing some liquidity from the highs up in here. However, we are still very overextended, right? If we're looking at generally what price action has done, we are very overextended all the way up here. So lots of liquidity on our way down into these lows. So this could easily continue downwards, right? We have bearish diverted up at the top key resistance area here. And this does look like it doesn't look good. Doesn't look good, right? So as we continue down here, you can see, look at all the liquidity in the order blocks down below. Very obvious, right? So we'll stay in this trade. I'm not going to add to it just yet, just because of the potential for us to come down and grab all this. Like, pretty constructive on the way up here, right? This one here, very nice, very nice, very nice. Now we said this area here this morning looks like it should be taken. Why is that? Because this is very slow and methodical, very nice. But this here, this here has moved quite aggressively in comparison, right? So these are areas that interest me to come back and at least recover before continuing. Now that means we could come all the way down to here, right around 95,000, if we are going to roll over. Now, another area that's of interest to me is down in here, right? Right around 92,000. Okay, so can we come into here? Can we come into here? Absolutely. But for now, we wait, right? We take what's in front of us. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Nice little long trade off of the sweep here. We'll see if we do. It looks like it's coming down on our heads right now. So failure to get above in here, right? Now this is a typical breakdown. When you push up, you bearish divert, you roll over. You typically will come back and revisit previous lows and continue downwards. Okay. It's very simple trade. We saw that on the NASDAQ the other day where was it? I think it was here. Yeah, that's where it was. So we saw that this helped us with the short. Okay, so revisiting previous lows, right? So breaks down, revisits, breaks down, revisits, breaks down, revisits. Okay, all the way down. Okay. And that's very simple but effective trading. It works quite well on trending, right? On trending. Same with the uptrends, okay? If you're looking for entries on an uptrend, right? Look at your previous highs, right? Look at this previous highs. Look at how it's revisited. Perfect entry, right? Look at this previous high in here. Not perfect entry, but these ones in here pretty good, right? This one in here, pretty good, right? So always be aware of your previous highs acting as a support for your next move up, right? Your move up, your move up, your move up. Laddering up, right? Nice constructive price action. And it works on the same way down, right? You break down, you break down, you break down, and you revisit those highs, you revisit those highs, okay? It's very effective. And it gives you a very good invalidation point. That's the key too, is that it allows you to be cheap with your stop loss. So like if I'm getting short or if I'm getting long off this continuation trade, I don't have to be putting a massive stop loss on here. It's off of this high here. So if I go from this high horizontal right across, right? So I'm entering here, you put your whatever 0.3%, right? Look at that. That's a nice little stop loss. Boop. And look at that. Nice risk to reward. There's your 1% move. Right? Very easy. Very easy. Right? And you get a whole bunch of these all the way up. Right? There's that. There's that. That's a revisit of this high, right? Trading doesn't have to be complicated. You just have to manage this part, right? Keeping it simple. is this moves following a pattern you showed yesterday? I'm not sure which pattern you're talking about, BBO. I'm 5'6". Yeah, I'm 5'4", man. So good morning. I'm short. Awesome. Is the low in, brother. So we were looking at the accumulation spring, right? So the hopium is that this could be our low for now. Down in here, our spring. But I'm more inclined to think we're coming back down to 90,000 at least. 90,089. This would be ideal. Because if we're corrective right now, and we're looking at this, if we zoom out a bit, right? If this is corrective, could very easily come up to $100,000 and get rejected again. Very easily. I ain't here to be a bearer of bad news or whatever, but very easily. And this is still a lower high. So if this, then that, right? That's why we're always, I mean, this long trade could play up all the way now that we've taken profits all the way up into here, right? Nice little swing trade now, right? Bang, bang, choo-choo train. But it's risk-free. That's the thing. We're risk-free and we've paid ourselves. So we'll see where it gets to for the rest of the day. Thank you, everybody, for being in here. 350 people in here. 160 likes. Thank you guys so much for all that you do, for coming through, hanging out with me. We'll look for the next one. So now that we've put in a low down here, what is our first thought, right? Now that we've put in that low, I should be pulling a fib, looking for a retracement level for potential rejection, okay? So back up, confluence, golden pocket, rejection zone. We can get rid of this red box now that we've taken that red box. And we can say that, hey, there's a golden pocket, 786 rejection zone right here, matching up with a support line, also with a bunch of price action up in here, okay? So golden pocket, 786, support and resistance line, probably an order block on a higher term time frame of liquidity. So we know there's liquidity in this high now, right? There's liquidity up in here. So this is now a target for a potential short and continuation down. However, uptrend, bouncing, we'll see how it goes, right? So if we are looking for the short would be, in my opinion, up here, right? Up around 96.6. Okay, currently in this long right now. I'm just going to slide this over here so that we know that we're in the long. And for people coming in, know that we are in the long off the VWAP here. But we are potentially looking for the short coming in at 96.6. Okay, we can go into a schlong this morning. Looking for the potential schlong. Any of you guys in a schlong right now? Probably David Brumbelow's in his schlong. He's definitely a schlonger, isn't he? Maybe even Dave Digital's a schlonger as well. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good morning to every single one of you guys. R.S. Miller. What did one hat say to the other? You wait here. I'll go on ahead. Let's go. Chicken with the jokes this morning, man. God bless, bro. Hopefully you're doing well, man. Chicken is actually an IRL friend, okay? So don't mess with Chicken. We actually have a chicken emoji. This is Crypto Pollo, but you can have your Bitcoin chicken as well, Chicken. We have a chicken emoji in here. Look at this guy. Buck, 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 buck. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That's Crypto Pollo. Look at this thing push, baby. Nice long this morning, everybody. Hopefully you guys got in on this. Looking for a continuation all the way back up into this area. We'll see if we get a rejection. A little bit of patience right now. We'll see how that plays out. Looking through our market cipher, just scanning through. Very toppy on like our 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 hour. Toppy, red dot. Lots of liquidity, VWAP rollover. So to me, this looks like it wants to come down. I would prefer to see a trigger wave. Okay, we'll see what we get here. Nice push up here. Bitcoin continuing up. I'll probably hit another take profit What do we got here? Up in this area here. Let's say close some more around 96.6. If we get there. And I'll be 70% out. And that'll be and then I'll let the rest run. So looking at 96.611 for the final TP, 611 right here. We'll see if we get there. Thank you everybody for being here. Incredible live stream today. Crushing the trade early before market opens. Market opens in 30 seconds. Let's see what goes on with the market open this morning. Thank you everybody for being here. Smashing up those like buttons. Subscribe if you're new. We're here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Taking the trades, baby. Taking the trades, crushing the trades, hanging out with you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. God bless you all. Hopefully you're having a wonderful New Year's, New Year, New You, all that good stuff. We'll see how the S&P opens up this morning. Welcome back, you stock exchange peoples. Okay, we'll see what the gap is here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. We're back, baby. We're back. Bang. Gapping up. Big gap up. Okay, we got a big gap up. S&P ripping to the upside. Can it continue? Look at this push we're getting here. Very similar to our ES. Okay, our ES has pushed up. We'll see if the S&P will continue to climb. This is very nice looking. We'll see the NASDAQ here dumping. Ooh, no, we might want to take some more profits off that trade, but coming into a key level of support, we'll see if this does want to bounce off of here. The NASDAQ rolling over back within this range. Okay, so not looking too good for the NASDAQ. However, Bitcoin doesn't give a Scheisenhausen. All right, it trying to push here. We'll see if it does continue. We are in the long off of VWAP. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Let's try and get those likes up to 200. If you are new, you want to come over and hang out in our Discord. We do have our holiday sale going on right now. $30 a month. Amazing trade. We are currently in a whole bunch of longs for traders, helping you guys. Come over and hang out in the free section. Would love to have you guys just come over and hang. Almost at 2,000 people in this Discord. Very active, very fun group of people. We'd love for you to come over and hang out. Coming into our sell wall as we speak right now. Okay, take profit, hit. There we go, baby. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Another winner chicken dinner. Pushing on up. Bitcoin ripping to the upside here. Let's see if it does want to continue. We are in the long rejection level. Let's see what we get here. No real sign of stopping here on Bitcoin price action. Shout out to you guys who took the long with me. Let's go to the moon. Bitcoin ripping. All these stockbrokers, partying on the weekend. Let's go, baby. This is crazy. Bitcoin to the moon. Wow. Flying. Bitcoin flying, baby. Bitcoin flying. Who gives a shit? Here comes the God candle, and we are long, baby. We are long and strong. Let's go. Woo-wee. Well, I guess we're taking the family shopping today, baby. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I mean, it wasn't me. I think it was BTC. Hitting that point of control, resistance level. Poof. Next level. Next level. Next level, on to the next one, right? Always looking for that reaction of price. Bearish divergence, overextended, continuing to push, all those good things. Big old crazy candle this morning. I'm going to move my stop loss. I'm going to creep it up here. I'm going to move my stop loss a little bit higher here. Big old swing failure. Wow, coming back and wrecking the bulls. Volatility galore. My God. Maybe we should add to the trade. Oh, man. This is crazy. This is crazy. Fireworks, baby. Fireworks. You guys are all enjoying the gangs. Short now. Let's go. Nice to see. popping off, baby. That was Crypto Billy. He just bought about 20 Bitcoin there. I don't know. We broke 97,000 off to 108. Okay, we'll see how we get there, baby. Let's go. Hitting 97,000, coming right back down, wrecking all the bulls. Okay? We're still stop loss at entry here. Hanging out with you guys. Nothing better. No trade. This is super volatile. Coming back, retesting the support line here. So potential long opportunity here. 96.6. 96.6 bounce continuation. Wow, nice move here for Bitcoin. Shed it to you guys. Shed it to the Otter gang. As I was saying about the Discord, if you do want to come over and hang out, we'd love to have you. Memberships over here. We do have a sale on. Make sure you watch the videos. We got live streams and all the goodies for you guys throughout the day, helping you guys, taking the trades, giving you the altcoin swing trades, all the good stuff for traders. Helping you guys make money here, learning the charts, learning the trades, signals, altcoin TA, amazing group of people. Would love for you guys to come over and hang out with us in the Discord. Link is down below. Come over and hang out. Take your trading to the next level. If you can't make $1 a day with us, I don't know what you're doing. Would love for you to come over and hang out. We have 400 people here in the live stream. 180 likes. Thank you guys for smashing up those like buttons, hanging out with me. We're in it to win it. We'll see if this does want to continue. Bitcoin quite volatile right now. We are in long from the VWAP. We'll see if it does want to continue. Potential adding opportunity here. I have not added at all. Okay. If anything, I'm just going to wait. I got my stop loss just below this low, actually, right in here. Might get stopped out, actually, right up in this right here. So we are long from the bottom, but big old swing failure pattern here, wrecking everybody. That was probably the short. Look at that point of control acting as major resistance here. Okay, big old ripper to the downside, trapping the longs, trapping the shorts. This is very detrimental to people trying to trade this shit right here. This is why we want to take this trade here and we want to just chill, right? I mean, this here is wrecking everybody, right? People are longing this thing on the way up, getting smacked down right now. Looking for a continuation here. We'll see if we get it, but my God, this is just wrecking a lot of people. We can go and watch this on some 30-second time frame. Look at this thing moving 1% up and down like a yo-yo. Remember, we said price action's been very, very, very aggressive lately. So for me right now, happy with this trade. If we get knocked out, stop loss is literally right here. We'll see if it does come back down and hit it. That's fine. We've made our money today. We're very happy with our trades so far. We'll see if it wants to push. Come on, Bitcoin, push, baby. No, not going to add to the trade right now. This is just stupid volatile, right? Not something I'm interested in. Now, stock market coming back down, S&P coming back down, NASDAQ giving us kind of an insight to what to be expected here. Nice confluence with the dump here on NASDAQ. So we'll see if we bounce from here. If we do start to put in a higher high right here or a higher low, I will move my stop loss to this low here. But right now it looks like it's coming back down to break our hearts. We thought we were going to the moon and everybody was on board. We all got aboard of the spaceship and then the engine had stalled. Okay, that is fine. This is what I think about you, Mr. Price Action, this morning. But we are long and we are happy. Thank you everybody for being here. We'll see what continues here. Insane price action. Did anybody short up at the point of control here? 97,269. That would have been a beautiful short. Oof. Very aggressive. You know, it takes a big set of stones to short this thing. That's all I got to say. It took enough stones for me to short or to long this morning. However, scare money don't make money. Said it to Crypto Face, man. We are sponsored by Market Cipher. If you do want Market Cipher, you can use the link down below if you want. Would help support the channel as well. We love our Market Cipher family. We are one with the Market Cipher family. What a move. What a move. Interesting morning. Thank you, everybody. The stock market is back, and so is Bitcoin. on the push up here, giving everybody a little bit of hopium. We'll see if we can continue. The concern is the amount of liquidity below us here. Like, we have literally been up only since yesterday, coming through, creating all this liquidity, really looking for that to be captured. Even back in here, right? Even back in here. So will this retrace and then go? We'll see. We'll see. But Bitcoin looking strong right now. So don't fight the trend. The trend is up. We took a long. We'll see if we do continue to push here. Bitcoin trying to wreck the bulls and the bears. To me, if we are going to retrace, it would be somewhere back within this 94,000 region. But we wait for now. We wait for now. Thank you, everybody, so much for being here. An incredible live stream this morning. Absolutely crushing it. My TP hit 97.3. Awesome. Please don't go. It's 9:40. We're not leaving. We're not leaving. We're happy to be here, man. You still get to put up with me for another 20 minutes if I last that long. The coffee is brewing. We're all good to go, man. So very chop city right now. We'll see if we do manage to get a push up. Let's go to the 3-minute time frame. Yeah, this is violent right now. Coming back. Looks like it wants to roll over. Looks like it wants to, but stop loss is just here at this low here. We are in the long off VWAP. We've taken profits 3 times. A very, very nice trade today. Right? Hit TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay? We're still in the trade, 70% out. But see if it wants to be a runner, right? Get going, baby. No, I'm not adding to this here. Just to me, this is literally, it's bullshit. Right? You don't want to be trading something like this right now. However, looks like it might be able to continue. You know, it's trapping traders right now. Like institutions coming in, just really messing with people's heads, in my opinion, the last, 2 weeks. The last 2 weeks have been absolutely brutal. Look at the patterns, man. Like Wonder Woman bullshit here, right? Just coming in here, wah, 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 right? Then wah, 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 wee. You got to add the sound effects. It makes it so much more effective, right? And like Chop City, chop, die, chop, die, chop, die. Wah, 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 wah. Boom, boom, boom. Needs a pump song. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Let's go. We just lost like 15 viewers. That's all right. That's all right. Adam Sandler trading and making beats now, huh? Oh, man. The pump song. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're gonna pump this beat. I'm just a bachelor, looking for a partner, someone who pulls out a without even falling down. Slow it down for the old school, zip it up, old school, boom, 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 when the night boom, 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 and the lamp is gone, boom, boom, the moon, boom, boom, it's only light we'll see, boom, hi, my name, Alex, crypto, boom, 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 pumping, baby, let's go. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Thank you guys for being here. Let's see if this wants to continue onwards and upwards. Oh man, what a beautiful morning, right? Stop loss adjusted below these lows here. So stop loss is now here. Bloop. All right. See how easy this is? We're just hanging out. We'll see if this wants to continue. Looks like it does, man. This looks like it does. People be shorting here. Oof. We don't participate in that. No participation. We see the beautiful money flow coming in here. This is good. 3 minute. Looking good as well. Exhaustion wicks here. Volume surging, pushing up, continuation. VWAP coming up as well. Okay. Bitcoin looking juicy, baby. Looking juicy. Let's go. Back up. I might take some more off coming up in here. Great patience today, everybody. Good job. I take a little bit more off here. Now that we're coming up to the highs, we'll see if it wants to. Great work, everybody, today. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. We're long, baby. We're long. You got some resistance coming at you. 98,000. Okay, you got this point of control up in here. You got 98,000 as well. Bitcoin flying. This is all Dave Digital. He's just institutional buying. He's just market buying on Coinbase right now. Keep beatboxing. It's pumping. It's pumping Bitcoin. Good fun. Drake sucks. Absolutely. Drake's a pedo, man. Oh, look at this thing. Well, what can I say? Did any of you guys get long in here? This is incredible. We even had some total trolling by Dave Digital. Can I do it too? Fart. Does it work for me? Dave, where's my fart emojis, man? Did you remove it? I would appreciate if you did remove it. Oh my God, he didn't remove it. Sideline, didn't take a single trade. That's okay. When do you think short? So we have key levels on the way up. So when looking for the short, you're going to want to wait for confirmation, right? Like even today, we had the bearish divergence, the break of structure retest breakdown into VWAP. That was a potential short. You need to wait for market structure shifts. So as you come up, right, you look for breaks of structure, right? Where price is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher high, lower low, right? So you're waiting for that break of structure at a key level of resistance, and then you can look to potentially ride the new trend back down. Now, this is not easy, right? So you want to literally wait for, right now, you would need to lose this low, right? That's why I've put my stop loss here, right? So if you break down, you lose this low, you can look for a potential short back down, okay? Lots of liquidity below us here, bearish divergence throughout, getting very overextended on our 1 hour, our 2 hour, our 3 hour, right? You can see if we're looking at any of our oscillators here, we can see that we're very, very overextended, right? 1 hour, 2 hour, if this would load, normally not this slow. Maybe we're lagging a bit here, but very overextended, right? So when you're overextended on an oscillator, especially market cipher, you're generally waiting for that second to third trigger wave, right? This one is saying, hey, we could start going this way. However, you want to wait for the confirmation of the downtrend. Okay, for now, this is very much up only. So a little bit of patience will prevail, setting out, zooming out, setting key targets, right? Having a plan of if price comes into this area, I am looking for a potential short. I am looking for a potential long, right? Having those key areas, mapping out where you have confluence, how you're going to take that trade, what you're looking for specifics, and how to execute that trade with using good risk management. Always managing risk, right? So we'll see how we react here. This is clearly just a ripper to the upside right now. But for now, looking like up only, right? Breaking out, retesting previous highs. Remember, we talked about this. So retesting the high in here. What do we have? We have a breakout. Are we going to retest in here and then continue upwards? Quite possibly, right? So look for that laddering, right? Where you're pushing up, you push down, you push up, you retest the high. That's where you get long, stop loss below the low here, and you look for the continuation trade. That's how I would treat it. Okay, so looking for this thing to continue. If not, you look for the break of structure and the continuation down, okay? Keeping it very simple. Great trade today, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you are new. Join us in the Discord. That's where all the alpha is. Link is down below for the Discord. We still have a holiday sale going on for the next couple of days. So if you do want to come and join us in there, we'd love to have you. It's been a good one today, guys. It's been a really good one. So that's enough out of me. Incredible morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gains. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat.